step into the GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited Denali. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 5SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 20x9 multi-dimensional polished alloy, wheel locks, set of 4, LPO, front bucket seats, forged perforated leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and adaptive ride control suspension. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.